What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad ki sangma ula Kular bagi riu beman ki badan keti halor ke jingja syak pyniap badang shen jong ke heprit badang saus namerta Nongrah nonglum shen kin ngat ha ke jing jingpynsaja ke tyngeh. Habakran Syllad patai kubor ha ke kat riu trik nailur Konrad ula pha ke jing sngolam syagi bahying hasam jong ini heprit palaklat no bat ula penpau ke jing shania ke baskem ha ke jing tokit jong ki pulit da kaba ong baki bor badai kimi kila ture klam syong than ban thwet iki beriu ke badan kti. Ngapan pau ke jing sngolam syaki bahying hasam namar ke ei ke balajia ke dei ke bamla pediang bat ke bam yahap satya ula ong. Haba penti kena baki bor pulit kila ture klam syong than ban thwet bat yuak kem yaki runar badan kti Konrad ula ong. La pentep syanga da usembut menteri Rangba baki pulit kila sedang ya kajing tokin. Ngamla ban keren halur kani ya mentahi namar kadang dan hapdeng jing tokin Henry usembut menteri Rangba ula pentep syanga ba slam salap din yaki badan kti la ban kedo ba I heprit insapira lingdo maunai ila ja ngai na la ka jong ka plau yeng na Nongrah nonglum ha ka step jong ka khat sau trik ngai lur Henry ya ka met yap jong ila lap din ha ka step ka babut ha ka balapen ngam ha ka wei ka jaka balang jong ka wei ka yeng ka badang snat thamai kabadan marjan ke yingsa jong ini heprit hi. Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills kila thong da ka Special Investigation Team SIT. Ban pelong ya ka jing tokit halor ka ni jingja, hapo ka jingalam jong USP City uba Herbert Karkungor, hapo ka jingkmi ba jing ai buj jong Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills. Na kalyang ki pulit kila pelong ru ka jing tokit ya kinong saki bat nanglum shushu iki saki satar, banla ito iki beriu ke badan kti ha kan ka kampen triam.
The Deputy Chief Minister will be able to give you full updates, but my deepest condolences. The family, what has happened was completely not correct, and the police is working overtime. I am told by Deputy CM that they have made very advances in the entire inquiry. I will not be able to speak about that right now because it is still in the investigation stage, but Deputy Chief Minister has informed me that the investigation is at a very advanced stage and very soon we should be able to crack this.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.